Kublai pi baro ngi pedang sengobai pi sya kani ketup kebor jengi menta ke janmit. Hasyam nias dang ini pechwa yakimat ki bakongsan. Yawer Menteri Rang Badu Kariu Narendra Modi yaki MP ban penlong yaki International Year of Millets Arjar Arpulai kajing yaki jongki patba. Menjur ke Kabinet jong ke jela ya kajing Penteri Kam ya ke MEGHALAYA Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines Arjar Arpuar bat ke MEGHALAYA Building Bylaws Arjar Arpuar. Ang Sarkar MEGHALAYA ba anam sya ya kanu ke jingtay blatay da ke Sarkar Assam hapo uput usam jong ke jela MEGHALAYA. Bat lejurip ke tanat water resource ya ke Hydromet Station hatri yang riang ke badan hawa Menteri West Jaintia Hills. Ki hubar ki babnya. Menteri Rang Badu Kariu Narendra Modi ulaya wer ya ki dekot jong ki yang darbar parlimen. Ban penlong ya ke International Year of Millets Arjar Arpulai kajing ya ki jong upat ba. Uloong ya kini haba ay jing keren ha kajing ilang BJP Parliamentary Party ha Parliament House Complex menta kasngi. Ula banjor halor kajing kentiu ya ke nutrition campaign kabala yat shat lingba jong ukrai bat ki wede ki jing bam ban ay shakinang wan ya shibenta sya kajing ilang jong ke G20. Ula banjar ru halor kajing don kam ban kintup ya ukrai ha kabam kadi jong kinong yele kai sports. Kakinhun ki menteri jong ka jelah ni kasngi. Kala ay jing menjur ya ka jing Penteri Kam jong ka MEGHALAYA Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines Arajar Arpuar bat ya ka MEGHALAYA Building Bylaws Arajar Arpuar. Kakinhun menteri kala ay jing bedru alor ka jing pentip ya ka ay lani ka kindon jong ka MEGHALAYA Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules.
What is this? So let's start it. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the MEGHALAYA Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the MEGHALAYA Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press.
Menteri Rang Ba jong ka jelau Konrad Kiesangma. Haniga sngiula pentik kenaba anamailat ya kanu ke jingtay. Blatay da ke Sarkar Assam hapo uput usam jong ka jela MEGHALAYA. Ukonrat sangma ula keren ya kani katba udang ay jubab halor ka jingkli kabaya day bat karay jong ka Sarkar Assam bantay biang ya ka Forest Beat Office hamukro kabadan ha West Jaintia Hills. Uloong ba unsapit sa kami alor kani kabenta bat insale ya kabadan kam. Ula pentip syuk ba udang yai beteng ban ya keren bat Menteri Rang Ba ka jela Assam uhiminta baswa sarma bat ong baladadan kanu kajing ya keren bat kanu kasnat trikam lani ka seng insa penlong habaro arliang.
I'll take a review of the situation, and if there's anything to be done, then definitely we'll take necessary action. And of course, just to share with you that I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the last 2 days, and we are also going to have more discussions in the next coming days also, in discussion with these issues and how to ensure that these kind of future situations don't happen again, and no instigation or no kind of actions that could lead to this kind of situation should not happen. So we are now in constant touch, and we are ensuring that the communication happens at the highest level.
Ka Sarkar jala kala ay jing menjur ban pinskem kam ya lai pongut ki pulit ki bala sya thung hamukro outpost. Haba pentip ya kini Menteri Rang Ba ka jala Konrad Kiesangma. Uloong ba ka Sarkar jala kala dep ban bu ya ki border outpost ha ki jaka babun ki jing ya kajia ha shilenter ki jaka kaput ki badan ha MEGHALAYA bat Assam. Ula pensyai ru ba ka don kawai ka police outpost ha baratu bat kawai ka border outpost ha mukro. Kumbashubut kenmau dangshan lawan ra ya kamat. balada dang don kam ne em ban thung kam ya ki tu ki bla don lupa ha ka kam ha ki police outpost ki bathamai wat apadeng ka jingklot bor ki tanat pulen.
The border has been sanctioned now, and all the people have been sent. In fact, in Mokro already the 20 people who were 30 people who were posted. A platoon was posted there, and now that has been regularized. So, which means now it's a permanent post. Earlier, whenever the border outpost was set up, it was as a decision at the department level, which means that people were transferred from one location to another location without actually creating sanctioned post. So the last cabinet decision we decided on this has actually sanctioned it, and those posts are now there for people to be appointed, and the ones who have been sent to Mukro are now regularized.
Katanat Water Resource Department haringkat bat kinong ilam bat kinong mi khamat jong ki senjup paper kila lej banjurep ya ka hydromet station ka badan hatriyong riang jong ka wa mentudu lapenlong ru ya ka awareness program halor ka benefits of real time data acquisition system lani ka RTDAS hakim musyang pokse community hall i superintendent engineer i junesi lingdo ilo ong ba ka jingtmu jong kani ka program ka long ban pensa priang jingtip shakipat nong song halor ka jingdon kam jong ka jingtho lum jingtip na ka benta ka laway karoy ka par bat ka jingla ban pene pensa ya kitulong i ADC ka West Jantia Hills District i DD Singay ila pensyai halor katu kani ki jingdon kam halor ka jingtho lum jingtip hagjo ka por katanat water resource haringkat bat kinong mi khmat na keleng ki benta jong ka sarkar jong ka sor juai kila lej banjurep ya ka hydromet station ha ka te ka jaka
tinagaliang jong ka district administration hi wan kumban shu ai mensil ye pi baro ni ki bedan benta kani ka program Badru ban dang shu ke ketika diangkat bala kalian ke district administration kamtam halor ki eki bede jongka wa mentu kumbangilai kini kisnam ki belanya mau ki labun ki developments ki bala wan ladan ke jing persyam ki seng repair kumro ban preserve ban conserve ke wa mentu ladan hadu ke court case ke NGT case ru
Haka women's cricket ka jingile akai ka basan bat ka bakhaddu jong ka T20 international na ki sant ligi series hapreng ka India bat ka Australia in penyele akai menta ka singi ha Brabant Stadium ha Mumbai bat kani ka jingile akai kan sedang ha ka por nyo buji janmit mentapat ngipet ya ka jilong jiman ka sinbeneng ha shalong ka jingshit ka long 0.8 degree Celsius bat ka jingkret ka long khat khandai point khanda degree Celsius Kajing sem ka hau kelong nyopoi nak spak por men step bat kandai pau nak spak por janmit kasun barengkan rang haslong sashi sin pat ni pen kenma bing ye phi baya kani ka khubor ka jangi pilar ben page live ha ka YouTube channel bat pilar ben page ki khubar ba man la kasngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter bat ka Instagram jong ka DD News Shillong haswa mingin pinkot impet biang sai sin ya kimat ki bakongsan Yawer Menteri Rang Bakdu Kariu Narendra Modi yaki MP ban penlong yak International Year of Millets Arjar Arpulai kajing yaki jongki patba. Menjur ka Cabinet jong ka Jalai ya kajing penterikam ya ka Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines Arjar Arpuat bat ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws Arjar Arpuat. Ongka Sarkar Meghalaya ba anam sya ya kano ka jingtay blatay da ka Sarkar Assam hapo uput Assam jong ka Jala Meghalaya. But lejurep katanat water resource ya ka hydromet station hatri yong riang ka badan hawa mentudu West Jantia Hills. Te parlo katung ila poisya ka bakut jong ka niktup ka borjing imenta ka janmit hadup de syemang bat pila syai ka singi kublay pi baro.